It happens the moment you step on board, the moment you realize this is like nothing you've ever done before. Your senses stir, and you know this feels like your own private yacht. Casually elegant, unregimented. This is luxury, redefined.
We get our first vessel, the Star Pride, in April of 2014. And when we get it, it will undergo an 18-day refurbishment where we're going to refurbish many of the public spaces and all of the suites. They'll all get the Windstar look and feel. Truly be a game changer for Windstar Cruises.
Welcome home to a suite so spacious, so chic, so utterly inviting, you'll never want to leave. Windstar's beautiful transformation combines sophisticated style and relaxing comfort in one perfect whole. Star Pride now joins Windstar's matchless style, unqualified luxury that is easygoing, unpretentious, completely carefree. Relax and enjoy. You'll find a perfect spot for each perfect moment. When it's time to indulge, you'll find five-star dining has never been so much fun. Whether you dine in the elegant open-seating beauty of Amphora, on the deck under the stars at Candles, or in the private comfort of your own suite, whatever you choose, delightful dining is always at your service. Star Pride's sleek lines and trim profile open a world of hidden harbors and tiny ports that even Windstar's elegant sailing yachts have not been able to reach. Take your place among the world's most prestigious private yachts for Monaco's legendary Grand Prix. Sail through the Bosphorus Straits into the enigmatic beauty of the Black Sea. Glide gracefully through the narrow channel of the stunning Corinth Canal. Explore the exotic wonders of Arabia and the dazzling kaleidoscope of Southeast Asia. Aboard the all-new, all-suite Star Pride. This is Windstar, the leader in small ship cruising. This is elegance made casual. This is luxury redefined.